समय की कीमत को जानना है तो समय पर काम करना सीखो। Warm welcome to everyone on my YouTube channel How to Speak in English Language, and this is me Rupa. Guys, if you are a student and also if you are a homemaker, you must watch this video till the end because this video is only for you. So what I am going to tell you in this video, maybe you are so excited, like what kind of surprise you are going to give me if I am a school student. Yeah, if I am a student, like it doesn't matter in which, means whether you are in a school, college, it doesn't matter. If you are a student and if you are a homemaker, this video is really important for you. I'm saying, if you not watch this video, you will be embarrassing in your life, you will be regretting in your life, you will be thinking that why I should have watched that video. So what I'm going to tell you guys, let me tell you, but before this I just want to tell you that in this video I can even use Hindi language as well, because the thing that I'm going to tell you, it is really important and essential and mandatory and compulsory for everyone to understand. So you should watch this video at the end. So before any further ado, let's get into the video. You can see everyone summer vacation is about to start, right? सबका summer vacation start होने जा रहा है, right? And now you all or everyone like mothers and their children's, even as like a school student, college as a student, like they are making plan that I will go to maternal uncle village, मैं जाऊंगी बुआ यहाँ, मैं जाऊंगी मामा यहाँ, मैं वहाँ पर बहुत मस्ती करूंगी, ये करूंगी वो करूंगी. No, stop doing fun now. You have to utilize this time in a very good way. Before this, I have started my video with one quote that use the time in a proper way. If you not use time, time will be started using you. समय को अच्छे से उपयोग करना सीख लो, नहीं तो जब समय आपका उपयोग करना स्टार्ट कर देगा ना तो आप पूरा बर्बाद हो जाओगे. Yes guys. So guys, like you have to not invest this time in a fun purpose. I'm not saying that you have to not do fun. You have to do fun as well. But this is 2025. So you can see technology is ubiquitous, means technology seem to be everywhere, and everyone, means most of the people are using this technology in a bad way, means they are like wasting time on making reels, on making awful things, and even on watching. So why not I can use this time in a good way? Why not I can learn something to improve myself? Why not I can focus on my interest, on my dream, on my passion? Why not I can work on my skill? Why not I can develop my skill in this time? Why I will waste my time like going to maternal uncle village and there. I just want to tell you guys, मैं मेरा जब समर वेकेशन आया था, मीन्स व्हेन आई गॉट इन समर वेकेशन, सो आई थॉट, मीन्स आई यूज्ड टू फील शो trite. Yeah, sometime dull, boring, like after doing all the things, study and helping mother, I had time. Then one day I was thinking that what should I do? Yes, how should I in utilize this time? Then I thought, let me learn something. So I thought that my passion is to become fluent in English, so why not I should start working on my passion. So I started just working on my passion in my summer vacation and I became fluent in English. So आप भी यही सोच रहे हो कि मैं इस समर वेकेशन को, जो 2025 में समर वेकेशन है, इसे आपको बहुत ही अच्छे तरीके से यूटिलाइज करना है ताकि आप अपकमिंग फ्यूचर में, आने वाले जनरेशन में इंग्लिश से रिलेटेड कोई भी प्रॉब्लम फेस ना करे, बिकॉज English is becoming day by day challenging, demanding language. It doesn't matter in which comfort zone you are living. It doesn't matter whether you are living in urban area, rural area, which kind of work you are doing. English is really mandatory for everyone. Now, I am going to tell you some strategies, some plans, some methods, some trick through which you can also become fluent in English in 2025 summer vacation. But before this, I want to just tell you about women as well. Why did I say that if you are a woman, you should watch this video at the end? Because like now your children, they will not go to a school, so you have to not worry that I have to get up earlier, I have to make prepare breakfast for them, I have to like wash clothes and this and that. Now you will get time because your student, like your son, daughter, your children will be at home, so you should teach them, you should learn English as well, and you should teach them also through social media. Start using this, start learning something, and work on your dream, work on your self. कितने दिनों तक अपने माँ बाप के पैसों पर आप like डिपेंड रहेंगे? सम like one day you will have to earn, right? So क्यों ना हम आज ही से अपने आप को डेवलप करना, अपने आप को स्किलफुल बनाना शुरू कर दे, ताकि we will not face problem, and after completing our education directly you can get job because you will be already skillful, right? Now अब हम आते हैं कि कौन से स्ट्रेटजी एंड मेथड फॉलो करें जिससे हम आसानी से 2025 में इंग्लिश सीख सकते हैं। तो पहला मेथड की गाइस, आपको जो आप मेथड फॉलो करते हो इंग्लिश के लैंग्वेज मीन्स कि इंग्लिश के क्वेश्चन आंसर रिमेंबर करने में, कि दैट लाइक टुडे माय टीचर ही हैज टॉट मी एंड आई हैव रिटन क्वेश्चन आंसर नाउ, लाइक राम वेंट टू मार्केट, दिस एंड दैट. नो, you have to not apply that method that you are applying in order to just learn the question answer of English. मैं आपको एक easiest and funny way बता रही हूँ इंग्लिश सीखने की, जो मेरे काम में बहुत आया, and इससे you will not gonna feel boring, dull, and you will gonna catch this language easily. आपके घर में छोटे छोटे भाई बहन है, राइट? अब आप क्या करो, आप तो खेलते ही हो, राइट? सो अब आपको क्या करना है कि आपको जो भी टॉयज हैं, जो भी थिंग्स है, वट एवर टूल अवेलेबल एंड वट एवर लाइक टॉयज and instrument you have available at your home, start playing with that with your brother and sister. Even you can do this thing with your friend if your friend is excited. You can also like request to your friend to speak in English language, and you should start speaking with them. Like what I used to do in my summer vacation after doing all the thing, I, my sister and my brother, we have a lot of toys, so I accustomed to collect that and we used to play with that. मीन्स मैं उसे कलेक्ट कर देती थी और उसके साथ प्ले करती थी, मीन्स मैं शॉपकीपर बन जाती थी. like we used to play like this. Yes ma'am, have a look this, these are so many fancy sari, and what you want to take, here you are ma'am. Ma'am, I cannot just take it, it is too expensive, can you show me another one? So this is how I used to learn English. तो ये तो हो गया स्पीकिंग पार्ट. नाउ लाइक सेकेंड पार्ट आ रहा है कि लिसनिंग में हम क्या लिसन करें. तो अगर आप बिगिनर हो तो स्टार्ट, यू विल हैव टू स्टार्ट फ्रॉम कार्टून. आई यूज्ड टू वॉच कार्टून. I even right now I'm in 9th standard and I love watching cartoon a lot and a lot, and I have watched cartoon a lot and a lot. So you can even watch cartoon as well, funny cartoon movies. So this is all about listening part. Now reading part, you have to start from simple thing. You have to read small stories and you should speak. And even like for speaking, if you have no friend and if like you have no any kid available at your home, so you can just take the help of online application as well. Like I am using two application right now. The first one is Joss Skill and second one is Skype. So you can also use this application. This is paid app, but this is unpaid. You have to not pay for this. You can easily learn this language. Now आपको समर वेकेशन को बहुत अच्छे तरीके से गाइस यूज करना है, और आपको स्कूल ओपन अपने आप से कमिटमेंट करना है कि मैं स्कूल ओपन होने से पहले मैं अपने आप को बहुत अच्छा, मैं मीन्स बहुत ज़्यादा इम्प्रूवमेंट अपने आप में ला कर जाऊंगा। मैं अपने स्कूल में जाऊंगी, अपने स्कूल में अपने टीचर को सरप्राइज करूंगी, अपने इवन फ्रेंड्स को सरप्राइज करूंगी। आई जस्ट वॉज लर्निंग इंग्लिश विदाउट टेलिंग एनी वन, एंड आफ्टर समर वेकेशन आई वेंट टू माई स्कूल एंड एवरी वन shocked. Rupa, within 1 month you have improved too much English. How did you do? So this is called passion. अगर आपको में आपके सपने में जुनून है तो आपको मेहनत करना होगा। और देखो कि दुनिया में कोई भी, दुनिया देख लो, दुनिया इतनी फास्ट जा रही है, लोग इतने फास्ट जा रहे हैं, तो आपको इस मोबाइल को यूज करके कुछ सीखना है, अपने स्किल पर लगाना है, कि ना कि मामा बुआ चाचा चाची और शादी में अपने टाइम को वेस्ट करना है, बिकॉज दिस टाइम विल नेवर कम गाइस। So start working on yourself, start improving, start exploring a lot of things from social media, and just improve yourself. Keep learning, keep enjoying, and keep doing hard work. And if this video is helpful for you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my video. And I will be keep uploading such type of informating videos so that I just can help you. Thank you so much for watching.